I'm fine. How about you? I'm fine. Are you doing, everyone? Are you happy? Yes, we are happy. What, Ibrahim? I can see your happy face. Why are you so blue? I skipped my breakfast because I'm in rush to school. Masya Allah, okay, Ibrahim, don't be sad. It's true, Ibrahim. Sometimes people in Palestine don't eat, don't drink, and don't have any food, but they are very passionate in charity. If Ibrahim and kiss my, because there is a hadith that means smiling is a charity. Let's recite together. 1, 2, 3. Tabassumuka fi wajhi akhika laka sadaqah. You're smiling in the face, your brother is charity. Senyummu di hadapan saudaramu adalah sedekah. Hadis riwayat Tirmizi. Hadis riwayat Tirmizi.
Anak-anak soleh, before we go to school, we have to breakfast because breakfast help our body become stronger and we are ready to seek the reward from Allah. Jadi, anak soleh, ketika kita mau pergi ke sekolah, kita wajib untuk sarapan. Nah, karena sarapan itu bisa membuat badan kita menjadi sehat dan kita lebih semangat untuk beramal. Oke, anak soleh?
Oke, Miss.
Ya, Masya Allah.